In this video, I'll show you how you can pin a file on Microsoft Word. So if you are working on a file frequently and you always tend to find it anytime you open your Word, I'm going to show you guys how you can pin it. So anytime you move to your home, you're going to see that file on top. So it's simple and easy. Let's say I'm working on this file. Let me open it. You see, this is for tutorial purposes. So let's come to this side here and let's say I'm working on that. So I right click here and you can see pin to list. So I tap on that and it's been pinned. Now let me come here to my home. Let me open this. Good. And now let me come here to file again and you can see it's been pinned. So to unpin something and then pin something else, you just need to right click once again and you can unpin it. You get it. Simple as that. So that's it on how you can pin a file on top. So anytime you're working on it, you open your Word, you find it, and then you tap on it and then work on it. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you give me a like, you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on Microsoft Word on my channel. You can check them out. That's it for the video once again. Peace.